I was in bed having my afternoon rest, and the husband was like, come, let's check out this ice cream spot. So I'm going to check out an ice cream well, we're going to check out an ice cream spot. Have you been there before? It's tempting me. So we're gonna take you on this journey. When you don't want to bake and you have a bakery that is nearby. ¿Con qué? Leche, agua.
Estos cuerpos son de agua. Y estos son de leche.
Y este es con, de taro es con yogurt o con...
Sí.
¿Es posible combinado?
Sí, mediano y grande.
Y más grande también.
Solamente tengo mediano y grande.
Órale, gracias. Yo quiero yogurt con Rafaelo. ¿Pero tiene cacahuate?
Tiene el medio. Sí, no, ya le di ticket.
Uno y este.
¿De qué tamaño sería, mediano o grande?
Grande.
¿Qué más?
Es todo.
Mediano, unos chicos de taro.
So the ice cream is not bad, but it's very sweet. Today I rest. I have been resting, I think, more than normal. And I am taking a walk, which is nothing new. Ooh, do you hear that? That sound is a sound of the city. Yes. So walking, resting, taking time for self, listening to the body. Like I have been a bit stressed. What I do, I'm good at, but I do get nervous when I have new clients, and last week was pretty stressful. And then when it's over, I'm like, USA. And so I go into rest mode. Today I rest most of the day. And so just reflecting on the day, what it is to rest, taking time for self, and not go. So today I left the house because I was very highly food motivated, and after getting back in the house I took my rest. How long was I resting in the bed for? An hour and a half, and then I got up. I was watching a Netflix series called Made, because everyone was talking about it and it was quite interesting. Saluda! Saluda! Adiós! trabajadores.
Levántalo bien. Vamos, llévalo.
Just leaving the park, heading back home for a nice shower and tea and relax for the rest of the evening. How do you relax? What are the things you do to stay calm? I do yoga. I take long walks. I just sit and not think about anything, meditate. How do you relax? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay positive, think on possibilities. Have a wonderful day. Bye.